How to use Netspend card on Amazon. Open up a browser that you prefer and in the search bar search for www.amazon.com. Make sure to log in to your account. Then, at the top, tap on Account and List. From here, select Your Payments. In here, under Wallet, you will find an option of Add a Payment Method. That is under Cards and Account. Go ahead and tap on the plus sign icon. Under Add a New Payment Method, select the option of Credit or Debit Card. Then tap on Add a Credit or Debit Card. Next step is to go ahead and enter your card details, in which you have to fill out your card number, the name on your card, the expiration date of the card, and your 3-digit security code. Once you do that, tap on Add your card. You can directly link it from your bank by selecting your bank, then tapping on Link your card. Once you do this, you'll be able to use your Netspend card on Amazon purchases. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.